In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Kalodata pricing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to look on the website and inside your account so you can compare plans without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Kalodata and press Enter. You'll see several results. Look for the official website in the top results. To be sure you're in the right place, check for a secure connection indicator and a domain that clearly reflects the brand. Click into the official site to proceed. Once you're on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're looking for a section that answers common questions. There, you should see a heading that reads, "What is the pricing of Kalodata?" Under that, there will be a link you can click to go directly to the pricing page. If you're having trouble spotting it, move slowly toward the footer area and scan for help or FAQ content. On a computer, you can also use your browser's Find feature and search for the word pricing to jump to the right spot. After you click the link, the pricing page will open with the current plans and details. There's also a second way to get to the same place. If you already have an account, log in as you normally would. Once you're in, look toward the top corner of the screen where your profile initials or avatar appear. Click there to open the small menu, then choose Pricing. This route is handy if you're already working inside the product and want to review options without leaving your session. On mobile, you may need to open the main menu first and then tap your profile area to find the pricing option. On the pricing page, you'll see 3 monthly plans listed: Starter, Professional, and Enterprise. In addition to those, there are options for a customized data report and recharge plans. Take a moment to read the plan descriptions carefully so you understand what's included at each level, such as usage limits, feature access, and any data allowances. The customized data report option is useful if you need a tailored data set, while recharge plans are typically designed to top up usage in a flexible way. If anything is unclear, look for notes, tooltips, or FAQ links on the same page. They often explain how billing works and what each plan is best for. That's it. You now know how to find the Kalodata pricing page from the home page and from within your account, and what you'll see when you get there. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.